Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone's hotspot is active and broadcasting on a compatible band, too. 4 GHz is usually best. Once done, plug in and power your Google Home, then place it near the phone to avoid dropouts during setup. Open the Google Home app and sign in to the same Google account you want associated with the device. This ensures the app can discover and register the speaker immediately and reduces pairing friction. You'll now walk through the app flow. Tap the plus icon, choose Add Device, and then Set up New Device. The app will scan for nearby speakers. When it finds your Google Home, tap it and continue. When prompted to choose a Wi-Fi network, pick your phone's hotspot SSID and enter the password carefully because one wrong character prevents connection. Also, make sure to grant location and local network permissions so the app can send credentials securely to the speaker. Finish setup by waiting for the Google Home's confirmation sound and a success message in the app. Then test with a simple voice command and cast audio to confirm. If it fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot both phone and speaker, then try again. Temporary network glitches are common. If problems persist, switch hotspot band between 2, 4 and 5 GHz, simplify security settings temporarily, or use your phone's dedicated tethering mode. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.